Okay, 15 minutes after we got here, we start seeing the sun come up. We're gonna get going here pretty early. It's high altitude. We want to get up to Pierre as early as possible. That's gonna be our first leg, Mankato. And I think we're actually, if the weather cooperates, we'll be able to get to the south side of Wisconsin, the southwest corner in our third leg. Anyway, beautiful morning, gorgeous weather. Hopefully we got everything ironed out and we're gonna get going. Until then, peace. By the way, I called it months ago that Scrappy was gonna be there. Nobody believed me. I put $100 down, said it was gonna be there. I just saw a thing this morning that the airworthiness certificate was issued along with the wings. I think he's behind on videos purposely, and it's the shock and awe factor. So I'm sure everybody else already will know by the time I edit this, but I called this months ago. So anyway, I just thought that was funny. Anyway, you guys be safe. Hopefully we see you there. And again, we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Casper ground, TriPacer 2641 Alpha Atlantic, FBO, looking for flight following to Pierre, South Dakota, and we have information X-ray.
TriPacer 2641 Alpha, Casper ground, good morning, you ready for taxi?
41 Alpha is ready to taxi.
TriPacer 41 Alpha, runway 21, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 26 at Alpha.
21 via Alpha, cross 26 at Alpha, 41 Alpha.
TriPacer 41 Alpha, on departure, squawk 1416, departure frequency 120.65.
1416, 120.65, 41 Alpha.
Boy, she had a nice voice for the radio, didn't she? Holy cow. Like the Lewiston gal. I remember her saying we're cleared to cross 26, yeah. We're getting this just right. Oh, 5:30.
Right on the nose. All right, clear your side, clear my side.
Clear for crossing. Crossing 26.
Good morning, Casper Tower, TriPacer 2641 Alpha, hold short, 21 Alpha 7.
November 2641 Alpha, Casper Tower, good morning, runway 21, clear for takeoff, 12204.
Clear for takeoff, 2141 Alpha.
Clear right.
Skywest 4311, Casper ground, good morning, clear to the Salt Lake City Airport via the Casper 3 departure, then as filed. On departure, maintain 14,000, squawk 1465.
What RPM do you want to see when we level out?
24.
Okay.
23, 24. How about now, a slight climb?
Yeah, slight climb.
Well, it looks like the Black Hills.
Yeah.
We've got some trees, some farms out in the middle of nowhere. We're 40 miles from Rapid City. Iowa. Headed to Pierre, South Dakota. We got to the airport about an hour early, but it was actually a good thing. We got in the air right before sunrise. Had a beautiful sunrise this morning. Getting a little smoky and hazy again from the western state fires. Nothing too bad right now. We did have an alternator issue yesterday. We had a wire that got snagged up under the dash. That was a 5-minute fix, thankfully. Herb's flying, he's holding it steady at 7,500. On track. He should be up here in just about an hour and a half. And then we're going to look to go due east to Mankato. We got some thunderstorms in between Pierre and Mankato, so we may have to wait it out. Other than that, we're just hanging out in the mighty Tri. Pierre traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha is 10 to the southwest. We'll be doing a full stop here. All right, getting ready to land at Pierre. Man, some nice water, flat land, smoky as all get out.
Still smoke.
Man.
Got your lights on, right?
Yep, lights on, left switch, left tank. I think I have one runway in sight. 2,700 is, we'll stop at about 3.7, overfly 1,000 foot above.
Yeah, there you go.
Pierre traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha is 6 to the southwest. We'll overfly the field at 3,700 for a 270 entry, 45 downwind, 13 full stop here. Pierre traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha is overflying the field, 3,500. We'll be setting up for a left downwind, 13 full stop here. Pierre traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha is doing a right 270 for a 45 entry, 13 full stop here. Pierre traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha, 45 for 13. Left downwind, 13 full stop here. Pierre traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha, left downwind, 13 full stop here. Pierre traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha, base to final, 13 full stop here. Welcome to Pierre, South Dakota. Pierre traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha, clear all active, taxiing to the fuel pier. Hey everybody, we made it to Pierre, South Dakota. I kept pronouncing it Pierre and was promptly corrected by a local. While we were there, we got to see an incredible Kit Fox 7 with a turbo, I think 915 in it. Pretty impressive. So hope you guys are enjoying the video. Keep watching, we're almost there. Pierre, South Dakota, thanks for having us. Thanks to Mustang Aviation for the fuel, the iced tea, and the chocolate chip cookies. Next up, Owatonna, Minnesota, where we're getting one step closer to the Fisk arrival. Here you're catching Herb and I landing at Owatonna, Minnesota after being vectored around thunderstorms and could not make Mankato. We'll be getting some fuel. We had a slight issue that we'll discuss here in a minute and move on to our next stop, one step closer to the Fisk arrival. Here's Lucy. She was the welcoming committee at Owatonna Airport. Owatonna traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha is at 23 for a Bravo 23 for an eastbound departure, Owatonna. Owatonna traffic, TriPacer taking 23 for an eastbound departure, Owatonna. Instruments in the green. Airspeed's alive.
Airspeed, okay.
40. 50. 55. 60.
There we go.
Oh, almost caught a bird.
Fly better than you.
A lot of corn.
Wow.
Alright, Owatonna, thank you. Flat tire. Second day, second breakdown. Thanks to Brent. I don't know what the company was called, but saved the day. Little fixes are getting expensive.
November 20 Romeo Mike, Chicago Center. Good afternoon. Skyway 3724, contact Madison approach 135.45. Good day. 477 Juliet Mike.
Both are left-hand traffic.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Alright, 122.9, 123.925, 160 at 5, landing 14.
Roger, and did you wish to change altitude?
I think it's right over there. Wrong. Could be those out there. Yeah, I bet they are those white ones. Now, when you clear these towers, you might get down a bit. Off my side, the towers.
Be right off our nose. Right there. Could be the center of the airfield, but I sure am not. Oh, wait, I got it. See the two white hangers? There's fuel there?
Tell me it's the best bargain in the state. Check the prices on it.
Maelston area traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha, left downwind 14, full stop, Maelston.
Okay, I'll leave it as is. You got it.
No traffic. First notch. Maelston area traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha, left base 14, full stop, Maelston. Second notch. Maelston area traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha, base to final 14, full stop, Maelston.
Report accident, Skydive 2 is 2 mile right base, runway 3, and could you repeat that back? Am I going to Fuel Farm or no? Just bring it to the hangar.
Maelston area traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha, clear all active, be taxiing back to the fuel, Maelston. Hey guys, we made it to Maelston, Wisconsin. We're about to go into the fury of Oshkosh. Just watched the Hagcat land. Getting ready to take off. 125.9 for ATIS.
Now you switch over, goes to Fisk 120.7.
Alright, well, we just taken off from, what was that place? Maelston. Look at that church. That church is beautiful over there. See that? Right in front of the strut.
Okay.
Wow.
There they are. Look at the waterfront.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
These guys know how to live.
Right?
You know, they got airport people that are all for small town living.
Alright, so we're on our route first leg to VPENB.
Yep.
And I'm going to listen to the ATIS.
Okay, is it pretty much straight ahead to the next point?
Yes. We got traffic in front of us. About 4 miles.
Good.
This is the inbound Fisk approach. We were unable to catch the audio. However, we did catch the landing on runway 18, which you'll see here in just a second. Hey everybody, after 2 days of flying, Herb and I have made it to Oshkosh. We're turning our base leg and we're about to land on runway 18 right at the blue dot. We were thankful that Fisk was uneventful and that our trip only had 2 minor breakdowns. Thanks for following along. Please subscribe if you haven't, so you can follow along in our air-cooled adventures. Until next time, peace.